The emergency services are available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year to help those lost or injured on the mountain. Before you call for help, first determine the nature of your emergency. Remember that if you are in an isolated location, it may take several hours for the emergency services to reach you. First, ensure that you and all members of your party remain calm and stay together. If you are lost, check your map to determine your exact location. You may also be able to do this via the GPS settings on your mobile phone. If you are unable to find your location or descend safely due to inclement weather, stay where you are and wait for the weather to clear. Note any landmarks that can aid your descent or that can be provided to the emergency services to help find your location. If the weather worsens or darkness approaches, call the emergency services and give them your location, as well as the number and names of the people in your party and whether anyone is injured. Try to conserve battery life in your phone should the emergency services need to contact you during the rescue. Stay calm, warm and together in the location provided to the emergency services.